Most pest control companies think any field service software will do the job. Here's the truth no one tells you. Pest control businesses have unique needs, and choosing the wrong software can lead to missed appointments, compliance headaches, and unhappy customers. In this video, you'll discover the best software for pest control companies in 2026, which platforms are worth considering, and which type of business each one fits best. Let's jump straight into the rankings. One of the top choices for pest control businesses is FieldRoots. This platform was designed specifically for pest control companies. It includes customer management, route optimization, scheduling, recurring service tracking, billing, and reporting. If Alex manages hundreds of recurring customers every month, FieldRoots can help automate much of the daily workload while keeping operations organized. But here's the problem. Not every pest control company needs specialized enterprise software. For smaller businesses and startups, Jobber remains one of the easiest solutions to implement. It offers scheduling, quoting, invoicing, customer communication, and payment processing in one clean interface. Many owners appreciate how quickly they can get up and running without extensive training. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro has become increasingly popular among service businesses because of its customer-facing features. Online booking, automated reminders, digital payments, and customer communication tools help create a professional experience that can lead to more repeat business. This is where most people fail. They focus only on managing jobs and forget about growth. The software you choose should help you win more customers, not just organize existing ones. That's why ServiceAton earns a spot on this list. It offers advanced reporting, call tracking, dispatching, sales tools, and business analytics. Larger pest control companies often use it to gain deeper insights into performance and profitability. However, it typically comes with higher costs and a more involved setup process. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to narrow down your decision. Another strong option is FieldPulse. It provides scheduling, team management, estimates, invoicing, and workflow automation in a user-friendly package. For growing pest control businesses that want flexibility without overwhelming complexity, it can be an attractive choice. So how should you choose? If you want software built specifically for pest control operations, FieldRoots is often the strongest candidate. If you're a smaller business looking for simplicity and value, Jobber is a great option. Housecall Pro shines when customer experience is a priority. FieldPulse offers flexibility for growing teams. And ServiceAton is best suited for larger companies seeking advanced business management capabilities. The key takeaway is simple. The best software is the one that helps you save time, improve customer retention, manage recurring services efficiently, and grow your pest control business profitably. If this ranking helped you compare your options, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing which software you're considering for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.